Hi, Candy!
Hello po, good evening.
Ayan, good evening.
po.
Yan, good evening sa iyo, love. Sige, pag-usapan na nating dalawa, Candy. Anong maipaglilingkod sa ni DJ Lala? At napatawag po sa usapang LDR.
DJ, ano kasi, ganito, I have boyfriend.
Mhm.
Actually, kakilala kami sa social media.
Okay.
And then, getting to know each other. Tapos, syempre, DJ Lala kasi hindi naman pinatago ko kasi, syempre, transgender ako.
Ah, hindi lata Candy. Nice. Okay.
Yes po, kaya po kaya lagi kami nag-uusap, video call, tapos gano'n. So, syempre, pinakaban kasi ako kasi pupunta na siya dito. Sabi, after daw ng work niya, after ng contract niya, pupunta kasi siya dito. Tapos, sabi, kasi gabi-gabi talaga kami nag-uusap. Kakatapos na namin mag-uusap actually.
Okay.
Kaya sabi niya, siguro by first week of September or this last month of August siguro.
Okay.
Baka pupunta na siya matapos yung contract.
Okay. Pero kayo na, Candy. Over social media, naging kayo na. It's official.
Yes po, kasi bago pa lang kami actually. Pero nagkakilala kami sa isang group.
Mhm.
Sa isang groups na yun. Tapos, ayun, busy ako nakipag-comment ako sa post niya. Tapos gano'n, hanggang humaba yung conversation. Tapos gano'n, inad niya ako. Tapos, in-accept ko din siya. Tapos, ayun, hiningi yung number ko. Tapos, nag-usap kami parati. Habang nasa trabaho ko, yun, nag-uusap kami.
Okay. In fairness naman kasi talaga sa'yo, boses, babae ka. As in. Oo.
Kasi natakot kasi ako, TV, kasi sobrang mahal ko na talaga siya. Even though we've been far, malayo kami sa isa't isa. Pero deepest in my heart talaga, in love na talaga ako. At saka, in love na din siya sa akin.
Okay,
Pero,
gaano na kayo katagal, mahal? I mean, gaano niya na katagal hindi alam na?
Magwa 1 month pa lang po.
Ah, okay. Bago-bago
Magwa 1
pa lang.
month po.
Mm-mm.
Yes po. Kaya natatakot kasi, dami ko na kasi rejection. Actually,
Mm-mm.
hindi naman siya kagupuan. Pero tama lang. Kasi lahat kasi ng mga ex ko is most of professional, promise. And then, yun nga, sabi ko, what if, mag-confess ako ng, before siya, kasi natakot, ayoko na ulit ma-reject.
Mhm.
Sasabihin ko na ba talaga, DJ, na hindi ko naman kinakahiya na isa akong part ni LGBT. Pero, I've been proud within my family. Pero natatakot na, ito na talaga siguro yung
Mm-mm.
yung pinakatakutan ko na ma-reject ulit.
Okay. Bakit hindi mo sinabi, una pa lang, love, na trans ka? What I mean is, if you have no problems with it, if you are not ashamed of it, kasi in fairness naman talaga sa'yo, you really sound like a girl. And dapat aware ka doon, I really sound like a girl. So, baka, alam mo yun, baka ma-mislead nga ang kahit sino na mahumaling sa boses mong maganda na you are an actual girl. Bakit hindi mo na lang sinabi nung umpisa pa lang na you are a trans?
Been scared for rejection, DJ.
Okay.
As in, kasi even sa work, kahit sino talaga, mapapalingon sa akin. Honestly, promise, real talk. As in, sinabi ko, before, miss, pwede ko pong, makuha yung number mo. Even, malayo po sila. Hindi po, I mean, yung mga customer ko po, yung ganun. Sabi ko, sorry, baka na-misinterpret mo lang po ako. Tapos ganun. Kasi natakot talaga ako sa rejection.
Okay.
Kasi nakailang ex na po ako kasi pag sinabi ko talaga reject, tapos ayun na.
Yun kasi yung nagiging problem, Candy, eh. You start confessing about you being a trans when it's already a relationship, when it's already, sabihin na natin, something. Kumbaga, may nagsimula na, may nabuo ng spark, saka mo inaamin sa kanila na trans ka.
Yes.
Oo, that's the
Yes
reason why you are always rejected by people. Kasi nga, nami-mislead sila eh. You have the gift of looking like a girl and sounding like one even if you're not. Kumbaga, itong imahe mo talaga, misleading. So, dapat, alam mo na, simula pa lang na in order for me not to undergo the same thing, meron akong kailangan baguhin sa proseso ko ng pagpapakilala. Kailangan before ka pa magkaroon ng something with that person, you tell that person who you really are. Kasi nagiging contradicting siya, Candy. Sa sinasabi mong, I am proud of being a trans and my family is happy about it, my family is proud about me. Pero contradicting yung ginagawa mo eh. Kasi inaamin mo lang siya, nagiging open ka lang about it kapag wala na silang choice but to accept it. Ang ginagawa mo kasi, ikinukulong mo muna sila sa box na, hey, we are already in a relationship. So this is a part wherein you must accept who I am. And then kapag hindi ka nila natanggap because you are a trans, nagkakaroon ka ng idea na hindi sila nakakatanggap kung sino ka talaga. Hindi naman yun sa ganon. Yun nga lang kasi, love, alam nyo naman na ang parte ng LGBTIQ community, kahit papaano, kailangan nyo maging open about it. So that yung mai-in love sa inyo, either bi or gay, yun yung mga mai-in love sa inyo. Kasi syempre, di ba, Candy, you cannot expect a straight man. Straight talaga siya, wala siyang confusion when it comes to gender preference. To be okay with the idea of falling in love with a trans. Na hindi niya alam na trans. Kasi ang pangit nito, Candy, pag nakakuha ka pa or nakatsyempo ka pa ng isang lalaki na ayaw talaga. Alam naman natin yan eh, kumbaga hindi naman din close yung mind natin na may mga nag-exist talagang taong they don't like gay, they don't like trans. You don't want to hear words from that person. You don't want to end up with a person like that kasi tatapakan niya talaga yung pagkatao mo mula ulo hanggang paa. And that's something that you have to prevent yourself from meeting. So you have to change the process of introducing yourself, mahal. Kailangan i-embrace mo muna yung pagka-trans mo. If you say that you are proud, then might as well, pag nagpakilala ka, ako si Candy, pero if you like me, disclaimer, I'm a trans. Though it's a compliment that you see me as a girl, you see me as a woman, a compliment yun for me, but just so you know, I am a trans. So that yung mamimit mong tao, you don't have to pretend that you are a girl. I-accept ka nila as a trans. Naiintindihan mo ako, mahal? But then again, ito na naman tayo. Ito na naman tayo sa moment na yon. There's nothing more we can do about it than just to tell the guy na, hey, before you go here, before ka mag-effort, before ka mag-fly all the way at sobrang maging excited na makita ako, mayakap ako kasi we are on this wonderful relationship, I just want you to know that I love you. I love you and there's nothing more I want in this world right now than to be with you. But there's something you should know about me that I think you deserve to know. Before you go here, I just want you to know, and I just want to tell you na I am a trans. Para wala tayong confusion. And then if ever na ma-reject ka niya, Candy, it's not because masama siyang tao. It's because he doesn't know the truth behind you. Hindi niya alam Kumbaga kung straight nga siya, Candy, you cannot expect him to be okay with the idea of that kung straight talaga siya. Swerte ka kung medyo some kind of bi siya. Swerte ka kung deep inside gay siya. Diba, love?
Kasi DJ, recently ko rin nalaman na nag-isa lang pala siya. Tapos, kaya natatakot na talaga ka. Tapos, ito pa ng, yung religious niya pa din, maybe it's the barrier into our relationship. If ever, he knows that I am a trans.
Oh. love one problem at a time. You have to bear that in mind. Before ka mag-isip ng panibagong problema, tapusin mo muna yung problem on your plate. I mean, yung religious thing na yan, I understand. Na it's a very huge factor that can make or break your relationship. But if he accepts you, if he loves you, if he still wants to be with you, then I know, deep within my heart, na mapag-uusapan niyo yung about sa religion thing na yan. Pero for now, love, meron kang
Yes po.
mas malaki na kailangan i-reveal sa kanya. Kumbaga, ito ay time is of the essence. Mas pounding na fact na kailangan mo ibigay muna sa kanya before niya pag-isipan everything else. Kasi kapag nasabi mo to, kapag naibuga mo to sa kanya, Candy, at the end of the day, tinanggap ka pa rin niya kasi apparently, meron din siyang heart for it at mahal ka niya, then Candy, everything will be, sabihin na natin, lighter. Every problem that will come your way will be a lot lighter. Kasi alam mo, natanggap ka na niya, na okay na siya sa'yo, na mahal ka na niya. So yung pundasyon ninyo ng pagmamahalan mas titibay. Ngayon, kung batuhin man kayo ng sunod-sunod na problema, alam mong mapag-uusapan nyo na to ng freely. Kasi wala ka nang hinuhold back from him eh. So Candy, I wish there is another way to do this, but love, wala talaga. Ito lang yung katangi-tanging paraan in order for you to get through this. You have to tell your boyfriend the truth na you are a trans.
Sa DJ, tsaka ito pa rin yung kinakatakutan ko. If ever, syempre, we know, as a transgender, we know na baka gabi na pirahan. Di ba, syempre, nakakatakot naman mga ganun. Syempre, I have family naman na di ba?
Siguro naman, wise enough ka na. Candy, listen to me. Ikaw na mismo nagsabi, this is not your first time in a
Yeah, this is not my
relationship.
first time.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know, kung papunta na doon yung relationship, you have to let go. Kumbaga, the reason why may mga painful events sa buhay natin is para may mapagkuhanan tayo ng lessons in life. If you know that that can be a fact and that can be a, sabihin na natin, serious matter sa relationship ninyo, kapag papunta na doon yung relationship ninyo, hindi bibitawan mo na. Kumbaga, everything is controllable after this, Candy. Yun na lang yung gusto kong sabihin sa'yo. Everything else na pinoproblema mo, controllable na yan after nito. But this one you cannot control. Pag nagalit siya sa'yo because you lied to him, pag nagalit siya sa'yo because you pretended to be someone that you are not, hindi mo makokontrol yung galit niya kasi alam mong this one is on you.
Yeah.
So love, before you think about any problem after this one, or before you think about anything else, yung mga problemang nandyan sa utak mo, yung fear na yan, that's just but normal eh. Normal yan sa lahat ng relasyon. Lahat ng fear na yan, normal yan. Sa LGBTIQ community, normal din yung pera-perahan part na yan. But then again, I know you guys are smarter than that. Diba? It's been generations and generations and generations of stories ng mga ng mga miyembro ng LGBTIQ community na napeperahan sila ng mga tao and wala silang nakukuha in return. That should be a pounding lesson to you already. Na kapag papunta na doon yung relationship, you quit. Hands up. Ganun agad. Why? Kasi this is not the type of relationship I signed up for. Nung minahal kita, minahal kita. Nung sinabi mo sa aking mahal mo din ako, naniwala akong mahal mo ko dahil sa pagkatao ko at kung ano yung kaya kong ipakita at ibigay sa'yo at hindi dahil sa pera ko. So that one, you just have to be smarter. Pero this one, you have to be truthful. Kailangan mo maging honest. Naintindihan mo ko, mahal?
Yes po.
Tas next time, if ever na this one goes south, sabihin na natin hindi maging maganda yung ending nito kasi apparently ayaw talaga ni kuya. Hindi mo maipipilit yung isang bagay na ayaw niya. Ngayon, love, the next time na magve-venture out ka at magme-meet ka ng mga tao, do not be scared to tell them who you are. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, you are blessed with the fact na mukha kang babae at boses babae ka talaga. Kumbaga, that is your asset. But you don't have to make it or you don't have to use it as a mask para takpan kung sino ka talaga. Kasi kung ano yung mamahalin sa'yo, hindi naman yung pagkababae mo lang or yung wangis ng pagkababae mo Kung hindi, kung sino si Candy deep inside. At kung sino si Candy deep inside, that is genderless. Pagkatao mo yun You have to be proud of who you are, love. Kasi kung hindi ka magiging proud sa kung ano ka at kung sino ka, mahal, do not even expect anyone to love you in return. Genuinely and unconditionally. Naintindihan mo ko, love? We have to stop
Yes,
pretending and we have to stop being scared. Ang dami ng taong open yung utak, yung pag-iisip sa LGBTIQ community. Do not even think na ang dami pa rin maninira sa inyo, ang dami pa rin hindi masaya para sa inyo, ang dami pa rin taliwas sa kagustuhan ninyo. Huwag nyo nang isipin na yun. Di ba nga, ibinigay nga yung simbolismo ng unicorn sa inyo, yung rainbow ay sa inyo. It's because,
Yes po, Didi.
that symbolizes freedom, being colorful. Diba? Being far away dun sa mundo na black and white sa inyo before, ngayon kaya nyo ng kulayan. Ganun yung simbolismo ninyo So embrace it, love. At habang ini-embrace mo din yung sarili mo. Okay? Ayan. Sige, love. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa boyfriend mo na I'm sure, Candy, mahal ka? Kumbaga, nabighani mo yung puso niya. Nakuha mo yung tiwala niya, nakuha mo yung pagmamahal niya. Now, we just have to make one big step in order to make this relationship even stronger. Ngayon, kung meron kang gustong sabihin sa boyfriend mo, ano gusto mong sabihin sa kanya, love?
Thank you po, DJ, for this opportunity. Bye-bye, if you're listening right now. I hope you are accepting me. Now you know why it's been hard for me. Nabawa, I really love you. And at the same, we tried, despite marami tayong pinagdaanan, even though it's coming for 1 month, but mahal na kita sobra. Even sa chat, video call, I know, pinagdaanan mo rin ako ng time mo. And, alam ko na rin na mahal mo rin ako. And for coming here, ano ba, huwag ka nung mag-art. Kasi, mahal talaga kita sobra. Sana baba, huwag pa rin magbago even though alaman mo yung totoo. Sana stay strong pa rin sa atin. Sana walang magbago even though alam mo na I'm being part of LGBT na taon trans. Ganun. It's been hard for me to say that at the beginning. Pero hindi ko pa rin mawali. Kasi nga, yung paniniwala mo, basta baba, I love you so much. Yun lang po, DJ.
Ganito love. Before I let you go, I just want you to know, Candy, there's nothing wrong with you. There's nothing wrong in loving a trans. You just have to find the right person to do that. And if itong boyfriend mo ay open to this idea, and if itong boyfriend mo ay matanggap ka even after your confession, then you know, Candy, this is a love na sabihin na natin for keeps. Pero kapag dumating nga yung pagkakataon na hindi niya matanggap kung ano yung kinonfess mo sa kanya, I know it will be painful for you. I know it will be difficult, but please do understand na itong relationship na to ay not for everybody. Parang long distance type of relationship din. Hindi para sa lahat. So, you need to find the right person na pag-alayan ng ganyang pagmamahal at right person na dapat pagkuhanan ng pang-intindi of who you are. The right person that can accept you nang wala kang pretensions at wala ka ding inhibitions. Okay? Stop
Yes,
stop selling yourself short just because you are a trans. Candy, you are a trans, but you are beautiful. You are perfect.
Yes po.
Just the way you are. So do not ever think na walang makakatanggap sa'yo kapag sinabi mo una pa lang na isa kang trans. Okay?
Yes po.
Maraming salamat,
Thank you so
Candy, for
much.
sharing your story. Okay? And ingat ka lagi,
Thank you
mahal.
so much.
Salamat, love. Kabisyo ganito, no? You cannot expect a person kasi to accept you or to challenge yung idea niya of loving you kapag simula pa lang ay hindi mo na sinabi sa kanya yung katotohanan. I know and I do understand na if a person loves you, kailangan niyang i-accept yung entire you, yung exact you. But that person cannot do that and that person can't ever achieve that if simula pa lang, introductory part pa lang ng relationship ninyo, nagsisinungaling ka na sa kanya kung sino ka talaga. So do not hold back. Huwag ka mag-pretend to be someone that you are not just because you want to be accepted. Kasi in the long run, ikaw din naman mahihirapan eh. 'Di ba? Alam naman natin yung effort na kakailanganin to pretend. Alam natin yung effort na kakailanganin in order to play someone else's life or play a role of someone else's persona. Ang hirap kaya na ikubli mo yung tunay na ikaw just because you are trying to front or you are trying to embody someone else. Stop doing that. Do not ever think na walang makakatanggap sa inyo for exactly who you are. You just have to find the right person to do that. And that person is out there. Basta lagi niyong simulan ng tama yung relationship ninyo. And everything will be bearable. Hindi ko sinasabing easy. Pero at least it's bearable. Kasi napagdadaanan nyo yung proseso ng relationship nyo sa tamang paraan at sa normal na paraan. Wala naman kasing relasyon na walang problema eh. Walang relasyon na walang halong takot, walang relasyon na walang halong pagsubok. There's no relationship like that. It doesn't exist. Lahat ng relationship, even in fairy tales, meron silang problema. But in order for you guys to face that, nang mas malakas kayo at the end of the day, or mas maging stronger kayo, mas na maging stronger pa at the end of the day is, you have to be honest with each other. Kailangan yung maging honest sa isa't isa. Okay? Huwag kayong magsinungaling, huwag kayong magpretend kung sino kayo, huwag kayong magtago ng ganito kalaking sekreto sa simula pa lang kasi kayo din yung mahihirapan. Yung tipong hulog na hulog ka na, yung tipong mahal na mahal mo na siya, and yet alam mong itong pinanghahawakan mong katotohanan is a make or break dun sa relationship. At dahil hinuhold back mo siya, ginagawa mong more than 50% ang chances of breaking this love na meron kayong dalawa. Okay?